How to create Google form with photo upload. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, open up web browser on your device. Now tap on the search bar and type Google Forms. Now tap on search. Now open up the first website. Now wait for some time. Now enter the Google form titles. Now scroll down. Now tap on the untitled question. Now tap on multiple choice. Now select file upload. Simply tap on it. Now tap on continue. Now specify the file. Now specify the file type. You can also enable the toggle for allow only specific file types. And that's it. Now once you're done, simply tap on the copy link. Tap on the send icon. Now tap on publish. Now tap on the copy link and copy the link. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.